Hey everyone, it's Andrew again, headed out fishing. Big surprise, right? Just thought I'd take a couple hours or an hour or two and see if I can catch anything. Hopefully this turns out to be a productive day in Box Elder County. Gonna be trying to see what kind of fish I can pull out of Mantua. Oop, I got something. It's bass. There we go. One-eyed bass. That's sad. Whoop. Let's get a picture. Scout. Whoa. Feisty. See? One eye here. Feel bad for the fish. Hit me as soon as I hit that water. Little dink, but hey, who says you can't catch a bass on a trout lure? All right, first bass of the day. Let's get him back in that water. Whoop! He came right back. Go on back. Well, the catching wasn't quite what I expected, but hey, I got a nice little largemouth. Surprised he only had one eye. Feel bad for him. But, you know, seems like the fish are coming in to spawn. Should be some great fishing up here in northern Utah for the next little bit. The bass will be up here probably the next week or two. And then they'll move out, the bluegill will move in, and the bass will be right back on those bluegill. So should be a good rest of the spring into the beginning of summer up here in northern Utah. And until next time, tight lines, everybody.